liked when you did that falsetto thing.
I'll be gone in a day. That's what they say at the end. You know, if you go on lyrics.com or something like that, it says, I think originally the lyrics were I'll be gone in a day or two.
Oh.
But it sure doesn't sound like they're saying day or two.
They changed it.
Probably because they're like, you know what? It really sounds stupid when you say that.
Right. She's so not worth the extra day.
No, she's not. So, what's going on tonight with your...
we're doing all requests tonight.
Oh,
It is
really?
the weekend. The party has begun. What? Don't you be making faces at me.
Well, no, on Friday, don't you do your Elvis voice?
No, now I've changed it to that old cartoon. I can't think of who. The Moose. You know, isn't there a big moose?
Mr. Moose?
Maybe.
No.
I can't remember.
Oh, Bullwinkle?
Yeah. How does he talk again? Well, we'll get it on by 7 o'clock. I'll have it going.
Great. Monica talks like a moose. Last night it was Aerosmith tickets. Tonight it's Monica talking like a moose.
Low budget, baby.
It just gets better. It just gets better. At 98.7, the peak 70s, 80s, whatever we want. Now, Monica.
Yes?
We've been up Fort McDowell, haven't we? We've had some fun at the Fort. Have we
my
not?
goodness, we've dropped some cash at Fort. Well, we've taken
peek
some
at
cash
the
home.
peaks.
And we've had a great meal. I get so sidetracked.
Is there any other way you'd like to steer this before we get rolling here?
Let's peek at the peaks, shall we?
The Peaks Restaurant, Fort McDowell Casino. They're open Wednesday through Sunday at 5 p.m. And you can call and make reservations at 480-836-4663. Now, in a couple of weeks, I guess it'll be next weekend. Not this weekend, but the following weekend. It's the Orm Dam celebration, November 17th through the 19th.
Oh, yeah.
You want to go to that? Ever been to a rodeo?
Yeah.
They have a rodeo there with a powwow, too. Mm-hmm. Carnival, BMX competition.
Let's do it.
Cultural performances daily. You could use some culture. And they're going to raffle a car off, too. Tickets are $25, available at the casino gift shop or Ticketmaster. You can call them or go on, if you want more info. It's going to be at Fort McDowell Rodeo Grounds, which is separate from the casino area. FortMcDowell.org. And eat at the Peaks Restaurant while you're there. Mm-hmm. Fort McDowell is just a couple of miles north of Shea off the Beeline Highway.
A lot of automotive companies offer fuel-efficient cars. But did you know that 9 out of 10 cars...
I don't know. Did I say call? I don't think so. Maybe they think we're giving something away.
Hello.
Hello, can we have girls just want to have fun?
Okay, girlie.
No.
You can't be a guy and call up for girls just want to have fun and expect to get away with it.
Bachelor party, so we're teasing the crap out of them because this old lady's out having a good time.
What's he doing?
We're taking them out, brother.
Oh.
When's he getting married?
Who?
When's he getting married?
Sunday.
Oh, wow. So this is like last ditch. People get married Sunday. It's cheaper now. Not that he's cheap.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi, the Peak.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, just had a cat jump through my window. Sorry about that.
You had a cat jump through your window?
What? Do you not have a screen up?
Yeah, we have a screen that just came through. We live out in Apache Junction. It's like a little bobcat just come after our black cat just now.
Whoa.
Hello. Get your video camera going. Send it into America's Funniest Videos.
Yeah, how you doing, Steve?
If it doesn't kill you
unless
first.
the bobcat tears up the cat, then that really wouldn't be a funny video.
We should just clean the windows.
Now, if the bobcat catches your house cat and they mate, is that the feral? No, the feral cats are just wild cats, right?
Yeah.
There's some combination. There's a name for it, right?
Yeah. Well,
Kevin Federline.
The shepherds. I'd like to see him try to mate with them.
No.
Ooh, I don't want to see anybody mate, to be honest with you.
I hear you. How about Crimson and Clover?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And which one?
Mark Cherry and more Pretty Little One that I adore.
No, that's too funky.
That's
Funky wasn't the
Color
word
me
we were
bad.
going to use.
Yeah.
Color Me Bad.
But I love the Joan Jett. Let's try to do that.
All right, that'll work.
Okay.
All right.
Have fun. Good luck with the cat.
Yeah.
Put some tinfoil on the ground.
Really? Tinfoil?
Don't cats hate walking on tinfoil? Makes them
know.
crazy. Tie a helium balloon to its tail.
That's cruel.
Yeah, you're like weird.
I know, that's not very funny.
No, that's cruel.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, you
Bye.
guys have a good one.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Bye-bye.
Hi, the Peak.
Hey, Rocky, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat.
Oh man,
There, that's who I needed.
that was perfect.
Do it again.
Hey, Rocky, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat.
Oh, that was even. Do it again.
One more time.
Hey, Rocky, watch me pull a rabbit out of my hat.
That one
Do
wasn't
it,
as
do it
good
like
as
you
the
did the
first
second
one.
time.
The second time.
Yeah.
Hey, Rocky, what's me pulling up it out of my head?
No, I think it was the first one, Steve, that did.
No, I like the second one.
Oh.
We'll compare them. Try the first one.
I don't know. I think I did it enough.
It was nice, though.
Man, they were great.
What?
Rocky and Bullwinkle, they were great.
Yeah,
Yes, they
see?
were.
Thank you. He wants the moose.
Too bad you can't find that wholesome entertainment now.
See you guys later.
All right, take care.
Eye of the Peak.
Whoa, Steve, as I recall, Bullwinkle voice kind of talk like this.
See what we started? That rocks. You're awesome. Thanks for calling.
We don't need to
Bullwinkle,
do.
Monica.
We don't need
Hey.
to do ho ho do. We'll just have people call in and do freaking Bullwinkle all day.
Steve is not amused, but I am.
Oh no, you got a Rocket J Squirrel in here too.
What was that? Is that somebody screaming in his car? No.
All right.
Okay, we're all good. Thanks for calling.